Surah Fatir, the Creator. This surah is Meccan, containing 5 sections and 45 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
الحمد لله فاطر السماوات والأرض جاعل الملائكة رسلا أولي أجنحة مثنى وثلاث ورباع يزيد في الخلق ما يشاء إن الله على كل شيء قدير.
All praises for Allah, Creator of the heavens and the earth, who appoints the angels and messengers having 2 or 3 or 4 wings. He increases in the creation whatever He wills. Surely Allah has power over everything.
ما يفتح الله للناس من رحمة فلا ممسك لها وما يمسك فلا مرسل له من بعده وهو العزيز الحكيم.
Whatever mercy Allah opens for people, none can withhold it, and that which He withholds, none can release it after His withholding, and He is the Almighty, the All-Wise.
يا أيها الناس اذكروا نعمة الله عليكم هل من خالق غير الله يرزقكم من السماء والأرض لا إله إلا هو فأنى تؤفكون.
O people, remember the favor of Allah upon you. Is there a creator other than Allah who provides sustenance from the sky and the earth? There is none worthy of worship but Him. So where are you wandering?
وَإِن يُكَذِّبُوكَ فَقَدْ كُذِّبَتْ رُسُلٌ مِّن قَبْلِكَ وَإِلَى اللَّهِ تُرْجَعُ الْأُمُورُ.
And if they deny you, then certainly messengers before you were denied, and all matters are returned to Allah.
يا أيها الناس إن وعد الله حق فلا تغرنكم الحياة الدنيا ولا يغرنكم بالله الغرور.
O people, the promise of Allah is true, so ensure that the life of this world does not deceive you, and ensure that the arch-deceiver, i.e. Satan, does not deceive you regarding Allah.
إن الشيطان لكم عدو فاتخذوه عدوا إنما يدعو حزبه ليكونوا من أصحاب السعير.
Satan is your enemy, so treat him as an enemy. He only calls his group so that they become among the people of the fire.
الذين كفروا لهم عذاب شديد والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم مغفرة وأجر كبير.
There is severe punishment for the disbelievers, and there is forgiveness and great reward for those who believe and do righteous deeds.
أفمن زين له سوء عمله فرآه حسنا فإن الله يضل من يشاء ويهدي من يشاء فلا تذهب نفسك عليهم حسرات إن الله عليم بما يصنعون.
So is he for whom his evil deed was adorned, so he considers it good. So Allah leaves to stray whomsoever he wills, and guides whomsoever he wills. So do not destroy your life in sorrow for them. Surely Allah knows whatever they do.
والله الذي أرسل الرياح فتثير سحابا فسقناه إلى بلد ميت فأحيينا به الأرض بعد موتها كذلك النشور.
And it is Allah who sent the winds so they raise a cloud. Then we drive it towards a dead land. Then with it we give life to the earth after its death. Thus will be the resurrection.
من كان يريد العزة فلله العزة جميعا إليه يصعد الكلم الطيب والعمل الصالح يرفعه والذين يمكرون السيئات لهم عذاب شديد ومكر أولئك هو يبور.
Whosoever desires honor, then all honor is with Allah. Pure speech ascends to his court, and he elevates righteous deeds. And those who plot evil, there is severe punishment for them, and their plotting will perish.
والله خلقكم من تراب ثم من نطفة ثم جعلكم أزواجا وما تحمل من أنثى ولا تضع إلا بعلمه وما يعمر من معمر ولا ينقص من عمره إلا في كتاب إن ذلك على الله يسير.
And Allah created you from dust, then a droplet, then He made you pairs. And a female neither conceives nor gives birth without his knowledge, and no elderly individual is granted life, nor is any life lessened, except that it is stated in a book. This is very easy for Allah.
وما يستوي البحران هذا عذب فرات سائغ شرابه وهذا ملح أجاج ومن كل تأكلون لحما طريا وتستخرجون حلية تلبسونها وترى الفلك فيه مواخر لتبتغوا من فضله ولعلكم تشكرون.
And the two seas are not equal. This is exceedingly sweet. Its water is refreshing, and this other sea is salty, extremely bitter, and you consume fresh fish from each one, and you extract ornaments which you wear, and you will see ships therein, cleaving the water that you may seek His grace, and so that you express gratitude.
يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وسخر الشمس والقمر كل يجري لأجل مسمى ذلكم الله ربكم له الملك والذين تدعون من دونه ما يملكون من قطمير.
He merges the night into the day and merges the day into the night. And he set the sun and the moon in motion. Each orbits for a specified term. This Allah is your Lord. The kingdom belongs to Him alone. Those whom you worship alongside Him do not even own the thin membrane of a date stone.
إن تدعوهم لا يسمعوا دعاءكم ولو سمعوا ما استجابوا لكم ويوم القيامة يكفرون بشرككم ولا ينبئك مثل خبير.
If you call upon them, they will not hear your call. Even if they hear, they cannot answer your supplication. On the day of judgment, they will reject your polytheism, and none will inform you like the most aware, Allah.
يا أيها الناس أنتم الفقراء إلى الله والله هو الغني الحميد.
O people, all of you are dependent upon Allah, and Allah is the infinitely independent, the most praiseworthy.
إن يشأ يذهبكم ويأتي بخلق جديد.
If He wills, He can take you away and bring forth a new creation.
وما ذلك على الله بعزيز.
And this is not difficult for Allah.
ولا تزر وازرة وزر أخرى وإن تدع مثقلة إلى حملها لا يحمل منه شيء ولو كان ذا قربى إنما تنذر الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب وأقاموا الصلاة ومن تزكى فإنما يتزكى لنفسه وإلى الله المصير.
And no bearer of burdens will bear the burden of another. And if any burdened soul calls another to carry its burden, no part of it will be carried, even if it is a close relative. Dear beloved Prophet, you only warn those who fear their Lord without seeing, and establish the prayer. Whosoever adopts purity, he has adopted it only for himself, and to Allah alone is the return.
وما يستوي الأعمى والبصير.
The blind and the sighted are not equal.
ولا الظلمات ولا النور.
Nor are darkness and light.
ولا الظل ولا الحرور.
And nor are shade and scorching heat.
وما يستوي الأحياء ولا الأموات إن الله يسمع من يشاء وما أنت بمسمع من في القبور.
And the living and the dead are not equal. Indeed, Allah causes whomsoever He wills to hear, and you cannot make those who are in the graves hear.
إن أنت إلا نذير.
You are but a warner.
إنا أرسلناك بالحق بشيرا ونذيرا وإن من أمة إلا خلا فيها نذير.
Indeed, we sent you with the truth as a bearer of glad tidings and a warner. and there is not a nation but a warner has passed among them.
وَإِن يُكَذِّبُوكَ فَقَدْ كَذَّبَ الَّذِينَ مِن قَبْلِهِمْ جاءتهم رسلهم بالبينات وبالزبر وبالكتاب المنير.
And if they deny you, so certainly those who preceded them had denied too. Their messengers came to them with clear signs and scriptures and an illuminating book.
ثم أخذت الذين كفروا فكيف كان نكير.
Then I seized the disbelievers. So how was my rejection of them?
ألم تر أن الله أنزل من السماء ماء فأخرجنا به ثمرات مختلفا ألوانها ومن الجبال جدد بيض وحمر مختلف ألوانها وغرابيب سود.
Did you not see that Allah sent down water from the sky? Then we brought forth with it fruits of various colours, and among the mountains there are white and red paths of various shades, and some are dark black.
ومن الناس والدواب والأنعام مختلف ألوانه كذلك إنما يخشى الله من عباده العلماء إن الله عزيز غفور.
Just as people, animals and livestock are of various colours, from his people only the learned are truly in awe of Allah. Indeed, Allah is most exalted, most forgiving.
إن الذين يتلون كتاب الله وأقاموا الصلاة وأنفقوا مما رزقناهم سرا وعلانية يرجون تجارة لن تبور.
Indeed, those who recite the book of Allah and establish the prayer, and they spend secretly and publicly from the sustenance we have provided them, hoping for a business that will certainly not perish.
ليوفيهم أجورهم ويزيدهم من فضله إنه غفور شكور.
That he may grant them their full recompense and endow them with even more from his grace. He is most forgiving, most appreciative.
والذي أوحينا إليك من الكتاب هو الحق مصدقا لما بين يديه إن الله بعباده لخبير بصير.
And the book which we revealed to you is the truth, confirming that which was revealed before it. Allah is most aware, all-seeing concerning His people.
ثم أورثنا الكتاب الذين اصطفينا من عبادنا فمنهم ظالم لنفسه ومنهم مقتصد ومنهم سابق بالخيرات بإذن الله ذلك هو الفضل الكبير.
Then we made our chosen people inherit the book. So among them is he who wrongs himself, and among them is he who is moderate, and among them is he who surpasses in righteousness with the command of Allah. This is the great grace.
جنات عدن يدخلونها يحلون فيها من أساور من ذهب ولؤلؤا ولباسهم فيها حرير.
Gardens of residence which they will enter. They will be made to wear bracelets of gold and pearls therein, and their attire will be silk therein.
وقالوا الحمد لله الذي أذهب عنا الحزن إن ربنا لغفور شكور.
And they will say, all praise is for Allah who removed sorrow from us. Our Lord is most forgiving, most appreciative.
الذي أحلنا دار المقامة من فضله لا يمسنا فيها نصب ولا يمسنا فيها لغوب.
He who made us reside in the everlasting abode through His grace. Affliction will not befall us therein, and fatigue will not affect us therein.
والذين كفروا لهم نار جهنم لا يقضى عليهم فيموتوا ولا يخفف عنهم من عذابها كذلك نجزي كل كفور.
And those who disbelieve, there is the fire of hell for them. It will not be decreed for them that they die, and its punishment will not be lessened for them. Thus we punish every deeply ungrateful person.
وهم يصطرخون فيها ربنا أخرجنا نعمل صالحا غير الذي كنا نعمل أولم نعمركم ما يتذكر فيه من تذكر وجاءكم النذير فذوقوا فما للظالمين من نصير.
They will scream therein, O our Lord, remove us that we may do righteous deeds as opposed to what we used to do. Did we not grant you such age in which one who understands would have understood, and a warner came to you? So now taste retribution. There is no helper for the oppressors.
إن الله عالم غيب السماوات والأرض إنه عليم بذات الصدور.
Certainly Allah is the knower of the unseen in the heavens and the earth, and He knows the hidden matters of the heart.
هو الذي جعلكم خلائف في الأرض فمن كفر فعليه كفره ولا يزيد الكافرين كفرهم عند ربهم إلا مقتا ولا يزيد الكافرين كفرهم إلا خسارا.
It is He who made you successors in the earth, so whosoever disbelieves, the evil of his disbelief is upon him. The disbelief of the disbelievers only increases wrath in the court of their Lord, and the disbelief of the disbelievers only increases loss.
قل أرأيتم شركاءكم الذين تدعون من دون الله أروني ماذا خلقوا من الأرض أم لهم شرك في السماوات أم آتيناهم كتابا فهم على بينة منه بل إن يعد الظالمون بعضهم بعضا إلا غرورا.
Say, do reveal those partners of yours whom you worship besides Allah. Show me what they have created of the earth. Or do they have a partnership in the heavens? Or did we grant them a book so they are upon its clear evidence? Rather, the oppressors do not promise each other anything but deceit.
إن الله يمسك السماوات والأرض أن تزولا ولئن زالتا إن أمسكهما من أحد من بعده إنه كان حليما غفورا.
Indeed, Allah stops the heavens and the earth lest they move. And were they to move away, none would stop them other than Him. He is most forbearing, most forgiving.
وأقسموا بالله جهد أيمانهم لئن جاءهم نذير ليكونن أهدى من إحدى الأمم فلما جاءهم نذير ما زادهم إلا نفورا.
And exhausting all efforts in their oaths, they swore by Allah that were a warner to come to them, they would most definitely be more guided than every single nation. So when a warner came to them, it only increased hatred in them.
استكبارا في الأرض ومكر السيء ولا يحيق المكر السيء إلا بأهله فهل ينظرون إلا سنة الأولين فلن تجد لسنة الله تبديلا ولن تجد لسنة الله تحويلا.
Due to seeking superiority in the earth and evil plotting only falls upon its conspirators. So they are only waiting for the way of the earlier people. You will never find change for the way of Allah, and you will never find deferral for the decree of Allah.
أولم يسيروا في الأرض فينظروا كيف كان عاقبة الذين من قبلهم وكانوا أشد منهم قوة وما كان الله ليعجزه من شيء في السماوات ولا في الأرض إنه كان عليما قديرا.
Did they not travel the earth that they may see what became of those who preceded them and were stronger than them? And it does not befit the greatness of Allah that anything from the heavens or in the earth should overpower Him. He is all-knowing, all-powerful.
ولو يؤاخذ الله الناس بما كسبوا ما ترك على ظهرها من دابة ما ترك على ظهرها من دابة ولكن يؤخرهم إلى أجل مسمى فإذا جاء أجلهم فإن الله كان بعباده بصيرا.
And were Allah to seize the people due to what they had done, He would not have left a single living creature upon the face of the earth. However, He grants them respite until a specified term. So when their specified term will come to pass, then surely Allah sees all His people.